Welcome to Emmelac Online Tutorial. Let us look at this tricky SET maths question, and it reads that if x root x equals 64, find the value of x. This is very easy, so let's get started. So this is x, the root of x equals 64. Now take note that the root of x can be expressed as an exponent, but before that, take note that this is just the same. The whole of this is the same as x times the root of x, okay, then equals 64. Okay, let's change this to an exponent, so this becomes x times x raised to 1 over 2. Continuing from this side, you get to see that we have x here, okay, which is the same as x raised to 1. Okay, and this is 64, all equals to 64. Also recall that when you have a raised to m times a raised to n, now this gives us a raised to m plus n, as long as you have the same base. Okay, all we just need to do is to take one of the base and sum up the exponent. So applying that rule here, we have x raised to 1 plus 1 over 2 all equals to 64. So when we sum this exponent, this is going to give us 1 number 1 over 2. I mean 1 number 1 over 2. Okay, 1 number 1 over 2, which is the same as 3 all over 2. So here we have that x raised to 3 all over 2 then equals 64. Okay, so at this point I want to move this 3 over 2 over to the right hand side, so making it an exponent also to 64. So what do? All I just need to do is to raise both sides of this equation by the reciprocal of 3 over 2, and we know that the reciprocal of 3 over 2 is 2 over 3. So here we have x raised to 3 over 2 all raised to its reciprocal, which is 2 over 3. Then we apply the same root to 64, that will be 2 over 3. So this less of this, we are left with what? X, then equals. So at this point, all we just need to do here is recall that if you have nth root of x, this gives us x raised to 1 over n, right? Okay, now since we have 64 raised to 2 over 3, it's just telling you, take note of this denominator, which is 3. It implies the cube root of 64. Now the numerator here becomes a power to the cube root of 64. So we have x equals, what is the cube root of 64, which means what is that number which when you multiply 3 times will give you 64, and that is 4 then raised to 2. So our x here equals 16 as the final answer. Thank you, and please don't forget to share this video with other learners. Bye bye.